This contains the book of Two Little Gardeners, done by Patel Thomas. One morning, it was shining bright. The village was a cheerful village where there were two 7-year-old boys lived. The two boys are Leo and Luke. They lived next door to each other. They were inseparable friends who shared a deep love for vegetables and flowers. Leo and Luke decided to make a garden behind Leo's backyard. The two boys weed all the grasses that decided to become the two little gardeners and transform a patch of empty dirt in Leo's backyard into a beautiful garden. They turned the soil upside down as they plowed with a shovel and a fork, and then they chopped the earth with a hoe and they smoothed out the lumps with a rake. Leo and Luke, equipped with tiny plastic towels, a shiny green watering can, and a bucket flower seedlings, shallot, cabbage, carrot, corn, tomatoes, borers, and many other more vegetable seedlings. They set to work with bright smiles and eager hearts. The two little boys worked tirelessly under the warm morning sun. The next day, Luke carefully dug holes in the soft earth while Leo gently placed seeds into each pocket, and then he patted the soil flat. Their dog was also there with them as they were working. Luke then picked up the watering can and gave their new creation a drink. Few days later, the veggies started to sprouting out through the mud. Under the ground, the beets turned red and the carrots grew yellow, and all the other veggies grew bigger and bigger every day. Beautiful veggies flower came out: yellow tomato flowers, red bean flowers, potato flower, and the red roses all full of bees. The weed grew up too. Prickly weeds, tall weeds, the weed grew and grew and they grew. And the two little gardeners said, this will never do. And they hoe out the weeds. The next day the sun shone and the sun shone hotter and hotter on rain, so they came with their hose and sprinkled the rows till the dirt was all dark and damp and wet. Vegetables even grew bigger every day. Some grew so high, and the two little gardeners has to put up little fences to the little gardeners put up little fences to the peas to grow on, and tall poles for the beans to climb up, and sticks for tomatoes to lean on, and they made little hills to hold up the corn. Then came the little birds and for animals. They destroyed and ate some of the veggies. There were too many creatures in the garden, so the two little gardeners built a big flippy floppy scarecrow and a funny, fierce-footed creature to frighten away certain rabbits and groundhogs and squirrels and moles and fierce mice who has come to eat up the garden. The crop grew and it grew and it grew and it grew. The corn tassels bloom and the pumpkins, watermelons got fat and the beans grew long. The carrots pushed out through the ground. Cabbage looked like great green roses all in a row. Tomatoes ripened red. Day after day, something was ripe. Some things was ripe and ready to pick, so the two little gardeners came with their baskets, and they picked and they picked pumpkins, watermelons, tomatoes, peppercorns, potatoes, cabbage until the veggies were picked. The little gardeners then returned home to make a delicious feast. They cooked corn, cabbage, beans, potatoes, pumpkins until everything was cooked. After everything was cooked, they eat and they eat and they eat the delicious cooked vegetables until they were full. But they couldn't eat it all, so they put up some things in cans and jars and bottles and stored them away on the shelves. Soon after everything was done, the two little gardeners rested and sang a little song. Thank you.